Hey, what's up, guys? So, a little bit of a break. I had cancer, but I got it by myself. A little present for making it through. So this is just a little unboxing. Haven't looked inside here yet. Gotta keep an eye on her. And I'm at my parents' house here. Nice house. With my dogs and my pups. So, I found this on the ground when I took my dogs to the vet. Another little gift for me, I guess. Just cut these open. What's inside there? Ooh, it's wrapped. This is a jackal in smoke with a work hop. 14.5. Pin and welded so they don't get you. Comes with a small catch so it doesn't interfere. Don't need to replace that if you have a small one. Don't get it? Can I help? Yeah, you like that sound. A second, let me put you down for a second. Yeah, we're gonna rip this really fast. Package it really well. This thing. Alright. There she is. Woo boy. It's nice they zip tie it in so it's not banging around. Carrier. Updated charging handle with the jackal. You just helping? Here's the other side. Here is the pin and weld. Drill hole. Put a little tiny plug in there. Tiny bolt basically. Weld over the top. You can remove it if you drill it out. And add something else. Pretty cool. Alright guys, see you later.